All right, we're trying to figure out what was the average daily revenue. Average, average, average. So average is where you sum up some stuff and divide by, in this case, number of days. So you want to figure out how much revenue you have will be the numerator, and the denominator will be the number of days. And we know they tell us the average is 400. All right, small snack shop, the average is 400 over a 10-day period. So that means I got 10 days to divide by. During this period, if the average daily revenue was 360 for 6 days, well, that's revenue, 360 times 6. But what about the other 4 days? The average daily revenue was 360 for the first 6 days. What was the average daily revenue for the last 4 days? So I'm going to let X be the average daily revenue for the last 4 days. Each day, let X be daily revenue last 4 days. I'm letting X be just 1 day, not all 4 days. Because what I'm going to do is multiply that by 4 times X. Each of those 4 days had a revenue of X, and we have 4 days of it, so I multiplied it by 4. So what do we got here? We've got 360 times 6. You know what I'm going to do first. I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. I'm not going to multiply it out yet. I'm just going to write it like that. And then 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. That's 18, 19, 20, 21. So 2160 plus 4x equal, I'm going to go ahead and multiply it out. 4,000. And then do 4x equal 4,000 minus 2160. That's 0, and that's a 3, and that's a 9 and a 10. That's nastiness. That's 481840. And now what? I'm going to divide by 4. So 4 into 1840. 40. That's 4 times 4 is 16. 24. That's 6 and 4 is 24. It's going to give you 0. So 460. So D.